Hi there, my name is Neeraj Kumar and welcome to my course Communicating Insights from Microsoft Azure to the Business. I am a cloud evangelist, architect and a Pluralsight author. Organizations today are leveraging their historical data as well as other data sources to extract insights, which assists the business owners in taking the right decisions at the right moment in order to grow their business or to meet the current and future business requirements. And the data scientists contribute to the success of their organizations by utilizing techniques such as machine learning and artificial intelligence to gain such critical and meaningful insights to be used as a tool by the business owners in making business decisions. In this course, we will first try to build a good understanding on the data science process and the recursive data modeling process, followed by a discussion on choosing between the different Azure Data Science services offerings. And then we will use Azure Databricks to perform data analysis and communicate critical insights with the business. By the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding on the data science process, how to use Azure Databricks to perform analysis and communicate insights to the business from Microsoft Azure. I am really excited to be your instructor for Communicating Insights from Microsoft Azure to the Business course at Pluralsight.